恐ろしさなどかけらもない。この戦いに踏み入る前に、命はとうに置いてきた。人の姿でおるうちは、わしが生き絶えることはない。ふっふっはあ、うかつだな。受け流す。行くぞ。挽回。国上天元明を弾劾場へ。
Aizen, how dare you stand there and smile like that? Aizen, you betrayed everybody, every one of us. You will not be forgiven. Nor will you. Konami! Konami! Come back, Konami! Have you forgotten? You once told me why you became a Soul Reaper. Wasn't it for your friend who lost their life? Wasn't it to carry out your justice? Where is your sense of justice now?
Shuhei! Huh? It's just like you said. This doll, or whatever it is that's controlling them, is completely fused with their bodies.
Yes, which means they'll probably be the same when they regain consciousness.
We'll move them to the Squad 4 barracks for observation.
What?
Then Captain Uno Hana can examine them. She'll know best. If anyone can help these men in their present condition, it's her. I just hope it's not too late.
Don't tell me they have little girls like you fighting for them. She stole my Bankai?
Yeah, that's right. Your Bankai's mine now, doggy.
Where are you?